YouTube? Dozy here. Welcome back to the channel. Before we dive right into it, I just wanted to make sure that y'all were enjoying y'all's July 4th weekend and you know, being safe. I know I am. It's been raining this past couple days, so I haven't been able to take the car out as much as I would like. Took it out yesterday morning for a little bit of testing. And it actually went quite well. One thing I noticed was the short-term fuel trim's taking out quite a bit of fuel out, but that's to be expected. Being as though I had 93 pump gas in there, I didn't really siphon it out like I usually would. I just ran it to empty, and then I refilled it back with 85. So we have a small blend in there. It's making things a bit richer. I'm going to compensate for it on my AFR load tables as we continue to break the engine in. So because I don't really have much to talk about, I just want to post a video of the car idling out there, you know, with the new setup. I just figured I would take this opportunity to answer some trivia questions. So in my comments, I usually get questions like, oh man, you know, where did you start? You know, how'd you get so comfortable? I've been working on cars prior to the Navy. I think I started with my first car. I was 18, and you know, just started with the small stuff. You know, the oil changes, the brakes, and you know, with every small project, you know, I kind of built that confidence level. And I mean, even to this day, you know, I still don't know everything. So sometimes I will go back to the forums. Sometimes I might watch a YouTube video or two, you know. But for me, my biggest key has been patience. Some people don't tackle new projects or, you know, like something new because for one, they feel like, okay, you know, I don't have the patience for it, or, you know, but for me, it's been, if I have that patience, I'm going to take my time. If I hit a roadblock, I'm gonna go back to the drawing board, do my research, you know, try to figure it out. Because at the end of the day, I feel as though I'm good at what I do because I enjoy it, right? So the moment I start getting frustrated, I don't enjoy it, then it's probably time to hang up the tools and find another hobby that's much more enjoyable, maybe fishing or something. So for me, that's been my key. It has been that patience. All right. I know people always ask what I do for a living. I'm in the Navy, all right, so work on jet engines. I've been doing that for 6 years, going on 7. And it's pretty much the same thing, really, you know. I go to work, I build the engines, break them down, you know, I'm using tools. I come home, same thing, using tools to work on my car. The car's definitely helped my Navy life. If I was doing any other thing in the Navy, I probably wouldn't be enjoying it either, you know. Like, I couldn't, you know, work a desk job, even though I kind of sort of am now, but that all comes with rank. So as you rank up, the Navy pulls you away from that hands-on portion of things. I mean, you can still indulge, but you get stationed more on the admin side of the house, and you know, it takes some getting used to. But you know, you go from working for yourself to now working for others. You know, because you know, as a supervisor, it's my job to make sure that you know people have what they need in order to accomplish you know their daily function. So you know, I would say the Navy definitely matured me a lot faster than maybe I would have been if I wasn't in, and I'm grateful for that. You know, I feel as though everybody needs that kind of structure in their life. You know, but I won't beat on too much about that. What else? What other questions do I get? Oh, here's a good one, and it actually pertains to the car. So I'll take the car out, people will see it, and usually the first thing they ask is, "Oh, what's the top speed you've done on it?" And I'm just like, I don't know, 160. So and that's because, so I have a Nissan Drift Build VQ, and I have blown 3 engines. So when you do that, it kind of scars you for life, you know. And I went from that to my red Z06 haze cam setup. You know, you just hear about how weak the LS7 is. You know, the valve drop issues, the cast pistons. You know, so it's like I have my fun, but I don't just go out there and just do the dash and, you know, like the whole speed demon thing. That's not for me. Probably because I can't afford it, okay? If I blow one of these, it's gonna hit me in the pockets very hard, very fast. So we have our fun, you know. I'll do my thing, and usually top of 4th gear, you know, I'm done with the race anyway. So, and that's usually right around 160. I don't see no need going much any more faster than that, or, you know, doing speeds higher than that. You know, obviously keep it on the track, right? Then I want to touch on is I want to keep growing this channel, and I'm relying on each and every one of you to, you know, to like the videos, obviously watch the videos, comment, share, tell a friend to tell a friend. There's a lot of great content on this channel, and I want to push that out further to more people. That way they can enjoy it as well. That being said, if you're watching and you're not subscribed, hit that button, share the videos, tell a friend to tell a friend, and let's just keep it going. All right, I appreciate you all. Thank you for tuning in, and I'll see you guys on the next video.